Hello, good day everyone. This is Solushola. Welcome to this channel once again. If you are not subscribed, subscribe, share and like. So in this video I want to show you how to delegate your call. Okay, so from your MetaMask, just click. If you are not on this page, come to the home. Click on home, so you'll be on this page. So the next thing, come to this search box, tap on it. So tap on it, then just type stake dot dial.calldial.org. So you can type it. I will leave the link in the description. You can copy it from there. Okay, from here now it will open and take you to the next page, or you can come to this tab here, click on it and click on browser. It will still bring you to the same page here. Okay, so from there, that is when you can now copy and paste, or just type in stake.calldial.org and press enter. It will now take you to the next page. Okay, this is how to delegate or stake. So at the end of this video I will tell you the little difference between staking and delegate. Okay, here just scroll it down. Here you will see some validators. So the ones in greens, they are the one that you can use, and this commission is the commission. Then this APR is the percentage that we'll be having. So you can pick any of the active validators here. Okay, so you have so many of them, but make sure you don't go for any inactive validators. Okay, so in the respect of this video, okay, I would like to go for this. I click on it. You can really pick any of them. Okay, so here we are. Here scroll down and click on delegate. So you have delegate here. Click on delegate at the top left top here. So delegate. Then the next thing, connect. Okay, so you connect here also. Tap on connect. Okay, so you can still come back here, click on delegate, then it brings you here. So here, this is where you will enter the total that you want to use. So at the respect of this video, I'll be using 1. So I click on, so if you want to use 20 or 500 call, you can use. So you tap on delegate. Okay, so let's wait for confirmation. Let's wait for confirmation here. Okay, this is the confirmation. So you just need to scroll up and confirm. Alright, I'm using 1 call, so you click on confirm. Okay, you can see the transaction succeed. Okay, you can see now transaction complete. Okay, fine. So you can now close it. You've already done with the delegate. So delegate and staking are almost the same thing. Just the slight difference is that in a delegate you can cancel it at any time. And as you are delegating now, the first 48 hours, wait for the first 48 hours before you start receiving your rewards. So after then, it will be daily. Okay, and you can start at any time. So you can stop it at any time. Okay, but in case of staking, staking has a specific time. So in case of staking, if you are staking, so it has a specific time. You cannot stop the staking at any time. So that is just the little difference between them. Okay, so that is how to do this. Please share, like and subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.